Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the training that's available in the Google Docs Help menu. If you're in a Google Doc and you click on Help, underneath where it says Help, which you would use to access the Google Docs specific help, is the option to click on Training. If we click on Training, it takes us to a Google page just for training on Docs, getting help. At the top, we've got sort of a table of contents. These are just bookmarks. If you click on them, they'll take you to somewhere else further down the page. If you're switching from Microsoft Word, you can access help on how to do that successfully. If you've used other online word processors, you can do the same. You can access cheat sheets, templates, productivity guides. All sorts of different resources are available to you on these training sites. At the bottom, we have tips for beginners, tips for intermediate users, tips for advanced users. Just a ridiculous amount of help that you can get if you access the training from the help menu in a Google Doc.